Hey there, Sid here with another trade recap. And today was a typical Monday. No right setup, nothing to trade, and unfortunately, there were like few stocks which had a good catalyst, and still they couldn't lift off from the ground, and their price action was too choppy, and it was too volatile. Here, what I'm showing you right now is my today's trade. So today I took a trade on VVOS. So VVOS is like recently IPO'd company, like few months ago, and they had FDA approval for one of their drugs. And the weird thing about this company is like the factor that I consider for this type of volatility in this in VVOS is 10% of institution holding. I'm not sure whether that was the cause, or there is any other reason for such type of volatility. But if you can see here, I took 100 share position at 8 a.m., like 1.5 hour before market opens, or in the pre-market hours, and price action was, oh, it was unpredictable. It was moving up, and on the same candle it was flushing down as well. So this type of if a stock has such type of price action or volatility, it's really difficult for you to make money. Doesn't matter if you are on long, if you are on the long side or on the short side, because you never know what's going to happen next. So I since I couldn't catch up that big move that I was expecting to towards $7 when I bought these 100 shares, what I did is like I didn't add up, I didn't add any more shares to the existing position. But what I did is like dollar cost, I followed dollar cost average approach. So I started adding 10 shares, and at the end I just added 50 more shares. And at the end, when the price was right and I was just uh, when I just made small tiny profit, I just sold it because I didn't want to take a risk. I said it's better to be safe than sorry. So let me show you the price action. So if you can see here, this is a overview of the today's VVOS price action for today. And if you can see here, just look at this price action. I mean, how can you trade if you figure it out? Okay, it's making some kind of like a pattern, and if you wait for pattern breakout, and if it did, and then on the next candle if it flushed down, then how can you trade, and how can you expect to get some profit from it? I mean, there were like other stocks as well which were showing some potential, but at the end they failed around 10:30. This was the one of them. So yeah, I mean, like big green candles hot followed by the red candles and everything. So it was this is the example of the how stock chart should not look like, because there is no clear indication of any pattern. You cannot predict the movement, and it will be really difficult for you if you couldn't manage your risk. Okay, so I bought this around like 8 here, okay, for 650. Then I was waiting for it to go above $7. That didn't happen, so started dollar costing average, added 50 more shares, bring down my price from 650, I guess 655 to $638. Okay, and at the end I sold everything, I guess within this 4 or 5 candles. Like when it popped up, I said like that's enough, like I don't want to take a risk. So as you can see, just made $16.30, which is enough. It's better than having a red day with like 200 or $300 loss. So that's it for this video, guys. Just keep this in mind that trading is risky. there is a high probability of you will lose money if you don't know what you're doing. And if you are still not sure like what you want to do, then consult with your financial advisor in your area. They will guide you in a specific way. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in tomorrow's recap. Bye.